Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Thomas Partey on the face late fitness tests to see whether he will play against Leicester City, and Charles Watts will be one of the Arsenal correspondents and goal.com contributor. Now, they let us know this one say based on waiting in the year, you get say Thomas Partey is getting better, he get remain small, he go fully fit, but at the same time, Arsenal they raising the guy, made them check whether he go fit pass a late fitness test to play against Leicester, because as everything they stand like this, they need all the best legs they can get. But my own advice to people like Mikel Arteta go be say, instead of go rush Thomas Partey come inside, come play and come allow him aggravating injury will be say maybe in the next 2 weeks he go dey fully certified to play. You can't rush and come inside, you can't kick him, you can't go back or set him back, you can't go back to one more month. I beg, make you no try him. It is better we use a 100% fit Jorginho than to use a 70% fit Thomas Partey, because it will be a no-brainer. Jorginho and Partey are two different type of players. Jorginho don't really get injured, so thank God we have him. For a career, I never even get injured like 4 times. Get now maybe sickness. The guy is really strong. Just like Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes, from the statistics I check from his whole history, get only 2 times he don't sick. You get the guy say for where they train when in this small, you play like 8 to 7 hours of football per day. So wait to be 90 minutes every 3 days. So that one don't even reach him again. So some players are built like that. So I beg, when I don't go rush this guy, when I don't go kill him for us. So away from that, so Reims president, who they call Jean-Pierre Carliot, don't come back and they talk about Folari Balogun. So then they're very happy with waiting flow they do for them for this season. They have scored a lot of goals. I think as of now, he's still the highest goal scorer in the French Ligue 1, or unless maybe somebody else don't pass him. I don't really know. But as of last time I checked, he was the highest goal scorer. Because they talk say they no go mind to beg Arsenal, make Arsenal give them Folari Balogun next season on loan again. Guess so then go they happy to aid in development. So everything that them Arsenal hand, I know, because I know say as Flo day is not ready to lead us as an Arsenal side. Imagine next season when they go championship now, Folari Balogun won't come put on the starting level to lead us. No, we need to sign a decent world-class striker, a goal poacher again. So make Folari Balogun continue in development. What we do Saliba? I see how many years Saliba they out on loan to develop to prepare them for the big stage, because the EPL is a different kettle of fish. You can't compare the EPL with the Ligue 1 or La Liga or any other league you can think of. Again, this place, they know the pity for anybody. The EPL will be your mate too. So if you come here, you go do normal. If you be king for any way, they want you come EPL, they won't boo you get, unless you shrug and say, I be who I be, that kind of level. So we are expecting Arsenal to make a choice at the end of the season whether they will send Flo out on loan, or they will like to keep him. I never really know. But for me personally, I would say they send him out on loan, because keeping him will be stunting his growth, because he would day for Benjamin. I would say me I see. Also, Granit Xhaka don't hold talks with Arsenal over a new contract. You say Granit Xhaka current deal will expire 2024. So Arsenal they really say okay, let's extend it by 1 more year. Again, Granit Xhaka is 30. So at the extent by 1 more year at least, then go to 31 like that. 1 more year until his legs cannot carry it anymore. They'll come free. I'm just like what Real Madrid they do with Luka Modric. 1 more year, until one day they go say, oh, I don't believe for I beg, I don't do it again. That is what we are expecting. So this is not the time where we talk, so we're going to find only 20 years. No, bring some experienced heads. Yes, people don't see it all. They don't win everything again, so they don't know how to behave. So that's what we are expecting. Let's just see how things are going. I'm a Napoli president who they call De Laurentiis. Don't come outside and talk to you. He no go rule out the sale of Kvaratskhelia and Osimhen. And the reason we say in the transfer world you can never say never, because according to him, he gets some kind of offers, he gets some kind of deals where person will put for your front like a proposal, like a club will say, okay, I'm giving you 120 million for this player. You go talk say no go sell the wine. So if for now they go talk say okay, they don't want to sell, but you know say in the world of football you can never say never again, because at the end of the summer people at Manchester United they don't make Osimhen as their #1 priority. Say that the player with the one sign, because they're looking for a target man who is big and can bully people. That's why they go sign Weghorst. They won't try to do with Eli Allen, they do with Man City, bullying defenders. here and there. It is hard for you to see defender where they bully Erling Haaland, you get. So now, so me I just expect, but myself and advise Arsenal, if we can get somebody like Seaman, it go make a whole lot of sense. Like go dey too bad, you get. For talking more, even go get Ivan Toney, but because of the betting issue we get for courts, you get, so that one I can make many clubs can't stay away from him. Apart from that, Ivan Toney would have been a very good choice for us. So we'll just decide at the end of the summer. For those who know they are aware, so Darijo Serna will be one of the sporting directors or director of football for Shakhtar Donetsk, is one of their chiefs. You don't come as I call they talk about Mikhailo Mudryk, we move from Shakhtar Donetsk to Chelsea. Now he gonna talk say Mikhailo no dey happy for Chelsea weighing day. Say then go buy the guy back after the war. You get now what's in talk. Who know when the war go finish? But that no be the issue. Call it like they got to ask a question about why the guy no go join Arsenal, because obviously everybody knows he loves Arsenal. So the back doesn't no be their fault today. Say due respect to Arsenal, say Mikhailo now choose Chelsea because of the money where they offer him. Now what see Baba talk that you say that talker. They no be them for some. Many people know because the issue or the matter out there in the public domain. Now say now Shakhtar Donetsk force the guy that collect the money. I always said it that and say as a player now you go decide where you want to go, because the selling club needs the money. They can't force you to go where you don't want to go. As long as Chelsea come for the guy and the guy choose Chelsea, Chelsea no put gun for a neck. At least we use Rafinha case as a precedent, because Rafinha wanted to leave from Leeds to Barcelona. Chelsea came with the biggest money. Even Arsenal also came, but Inter Arsenal said na Barca won't go because his agent Deco was a former player of Barca, so that affiliation can't help them link him to Barca. I thought say Barca or not, at the end of the day, where he go, he went to Barca again. So Mudryk could have done the same thing, but he didn't do that. Today he's unhappy, and people are saying, hey, yeah, he made the wrong choice. Yes, lessons will be learned from this deal to show say money cannot buy happiness. Yes, money is good, quite alright, but because you have money doesn't mean you'll be happy. Yes, see what the guy they face now. He never did for any Chelsea side, you don't win since income. In short, at the point, they don't drop him. She been at them promise and say they want to build the future around him. He's going to be the face of the future. He's going to start all the games. Say Arsenal will not start you. Martinelli will be ahead of you. Where is he now? Baba is languishing in the Benjamin. You get so all those promises. Reporter give up. How far? Now people like Joao Felix they play. Noni Madueke they play. Many people they play. Sterling is back. You get. He's on the bench now, so we'll just see how this drama go unfold. He already put himself for cage, 7 years cage, prison. You can't escape, nowhere to run. So let's just see how things pan out. So Thierry himself don't come as I call it talk about the Emirates Stadium and the work we Arteta don't do. So my back to say the Emirates is rocking again. You can say the noise is deafening again because the fans believe, the fans are seeing a team that can compete. So they are very happy with waiting Arteta don't do. Not just Arteta, say Arteta, Edu Gaspar, and everybody that made this possible, because during the time of Unai Emery, the Emirates Stadium was in shambles. You get people were not happy to come in. You get people they boo the players, but now you can never see people booing players because they know so the players they give their all 110%. They're ready to die, and everybody can smell that title to say it is coming. It is coming. So we'll just watch that. We win the title. I don't even know how I go feel on that this. We'll just watch that. Our Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside and let us know say El Neni rejected offers from some clubs in Spain and Italia. You get before you can accept a new deal for Arsenal. You get it because the guy loves Arsenal and that is why he wants to join Arsenal and play there. You get as of now, he's going to be the longest serving player at Arsenal. This is like his 7th year at Arsenal. I don't think there's anybody who don't spend that much time you get on a professional contract like him. You get so I don't just know sha. Or just the watch. That's what the statistics are saying. I but the thing say Saka done for academy, whether that one will count, but they say that one no they count. It's not a professional contract. Then they use judge how long you don't stay. Get don't be by say they'll burn you for the academy. You can't stay there donkey years. So don't be by that one. Okay now. Alright, so Arsenal they consider offer for Atlanta forward they call Rasmus Højlund. You get this guy is 6'4", is very tall, and in 19 games the guy don't score 6 goals. But the fact that the guy is 20 years old, that is why for me I think it's a no at this point of our lives. We don't need experimentation. We don't need to sign youngsters. We don't get a lot of youngsters. Now we need senior members that will give ball and they go on. I don't want excuses like when Iara go talk say Arsenal will make mistakes because they are very young. Then let us stop signing young people that will come and make mistakes. Sign proven goal poachers, sign proven goal scorers, clinical strikers. Get people that are very prolific. Those that are in their prime. You get Sign a player that will come and give us 3 years, 3 decent years. Let us win laurels. You get a time don't come for us to be winning things. You get that's what is very, very key. I don't see Arteta approach for the transfer market. Now we are not going for just youngsters that fit our age bill. Now we're looking for those that are in their prime, people who are in their 28, 27, 26. Bring them. That's what we need. You can't be saying they find Rasmus, they're 20 years old. Even Real Madrid said they follow the dragon. Real Madrid, I can even understand because Real Madrid, they still get senior men in their ranks. Benzema still there, they lead their line. Who be our own Benzema? You get? Now, Edin and be our own Benzema. You get? Even Gabriel Jesus gone for me. I know the thing is now because of those who don't get the caliber of players who don't get in our time. We don't experience people like Lacazette, experience people like Aubameyang. That is why we see Gabriel Jesus as a messiah. For me, it's not even world class at all. I no go lie for you. For me, you get player who go sign Gabriel Jesus go for Benjamin Ajay. No be say one thing. Bring a player in the caliber of Osimhen. Jesus go bench, go sit down for many days, many weeks. Get sign an Eliana, give us that kind of caliber of player. But I go languish for Benjamin again, not because of the kind of people who get before. That's why we happy say, thank God so we'll get this kind of people. And that is what it is. So after I get Champions League, I believe so we'll get the chance to sign world-class poachers. Again, people will give you 20-25 goals per season. That's what I'm talking about. So this is what we'll get. Just like when I talked before, say you get player we go come, Martinelli go there for bench, you will be surprising a lie. See Trossard now, she don't put Martinelli for bench one match, you get. Assuming say Trossard score for that match we will play against Aston Villa. Ajay, the next match they will see start time again, you get. And that is what I like, competition for places. There are no secret cows for Arsenal. You get some players will be your own favorite, but for me, I don't get any loyalty to anybody. Anybody will do any, I make it good for Benjamin. Who would have believed that one day in the future, somebody like a Kylian Tierney go for Benjamin, will complain, say one go join Newcastle, will say one come out for Arsenal. Who would have believed that something like that will happen? Person will talk saying a senior man warrior, say one day go be our captain. So now so life just be life no balance and it's normal. Our David Einstein said don't come as I call it or say Arsenal fit target missing mounts at the end of the summer. And the reason we can talk this thing is say initially for January, Chelsea be one sell missing mounts after they run by all those known Madueke, buy all those Mikhailo Mudryk, buy Fofana, buy many people you get. They feel say okay, and Joao Felix have joined them. They feel say okay, this guy could be surplus to requirements, but unfortunately for him, he now got injured. So and there is no way anybody will go buy injured player because they don't know how long it will even take to stay out. That was why they couldn't sell him. But for the summer, I don't tell that before. Say Chelsea is going to be the new ShopRite. A lot of people are going there to go and select. Say, give me that one. Or yeah, give me this one. Okay, I like this one. That is what is going to happen at Chelsea because they get so many players in different positions, and those players, how can they make everybody happy? You get so expect exodus at the end of the summer for Chelsea. Get so as I said, go like go there, go select one or two. Get at least this Jorginho said don't give us an eye opener. Say don't be everybody will sign for Chelsea be bad goods. Get some people just want to live there and join a new project. Like what is Jorginho the talk say? At the time in your career, you go understand. Say my tenure at this particular club is done and dusted. I need to join another ship. You get and you go join and you go to progress forward. That I don't mean say you don't be finished good or say you know good again. No. Sometimes you can be bad in club A and go to club B and excel. It happen like that at normal level. Our supercomputer come as I call it predict say Arsenal go win the title with 85 points. The couple Man City below us, couple Manchester United below us. They come put Newcastle as fourth, couple Spurs for fifth. Come put their own statistics and ratio. Well, that one a computer, that one just normal prediction or you call it a projection. You get na normal level. So no go dey read too much meaning for that one. At the end of the day, now we go decide our own fate. Patrick Vieira not come as I talk say it is our title to lose. Everything there for our own hand. We will take player. That's so it will happen. So we'll just watch. Even Jorginho self don't come aside for media set. They talk about the relationship where in gets with Granit Xhaka. So Papa they explain say in the past why didn't they play for Chelsea with Xhaka they fight where for the middle of the park, but ever since we don't join Arsenal, say some of them don't get one kind of cordial relationship. Then now you can understand say apart from that warrior, all those feisty nature of Xhaka aggressiveness on the field of play, say almost say for back end though, as in outside the field. that. Say the guy a very nice guy. They should even carry and go for dinner. When they ask and say, where are they chop food for this area? She say he won't go no chop some kind. Say, come on, I will take you out now. The guy carry him out, pay for him dinner, like treat am well. Say I almost say the guy a very good friend. Just they happy. Say no be because person they fight for field of play, person they aggressive. Come and say for real life, for outside the field of play, say the aggressive person be say no be like that. So they happy say don't discover this other side of Granit Xhaka where many people don't know about. So my dear football lovers, if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.